Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? Quick 2-minute video as a tip to all of my fellow YouTuber slash filmmaker friends, especially those that are looking to make videos in the car while driving, like some of my recent ones. Previously, you might have seen them. I had a Manfrotto suction cup up here. It's one of the Avenger cups. They're like $100 and it's about 8 inches. It's massive. It takes up like this whole space on the window. Then you've got the ball head here mount, and then you've got the mounting plate to the camera, and literally it takes up like your whole field of view here. So it doesn't really work good. It just kind of sucks. It's almost dangerous because you're driving, you can't see that good. So you might want to put it over there, right? Well, then you've got your camera way over there and it's like such a side shot that the angle just doesn't look that good in my opinion. So, and again, you're kind of blocking a good bit of view if you're mounting it up over there. So I've used the suction cup method and I didn't like it. Now you could use a GoPro, but I just don't like the GoPro quality, the fishbowl kind of effect. It just doesn't look that amazing. The new GoPro, I think it's the 7 or whatever, I think it doesn't do that, but then you're spending $500, $600 on a new GoPro. So pro tip for you guys. As you can see down here, I've got my ProClip phone mount. This is from my iPhone 8, and it mounts in through like the bottom here, and then it clips up in the top here. It's a really, really sturdy mount. One of the best mounts I've ever used. Little expensive compared to like cheaper suction cup mounts, but it's like 100 times better because your phone is so stable here. The suction cup ones don't even joke around. They fall off as soon as the windshield's cold. Now, if you're a filmmaker and you want to make videos while you're driving, pro tip. Boom. There is my Joby Gorillapod head, right? You can get this for like 25, 30 bucks. Or if you buy the full Joby Gorillapod for like 50 bucks, you just unscrew it. And then I took a little screw from one of my other camera kits. You can use any screw that'll fit. I don't know what the thread size is, but you can get any screw that'll fit down here, right? I drilled a hole through the ProClip mount. It's just the size of the screw. It's so small. And I mounted the Gorillapod up here, and I can now literally put my camera right up there and film while I'm driving, like you guys have seen in some of my videos. So it's a super awesome DIY. It works amazing. It's super sturdy. And you also, if you got the ProClip phone mount, you mount your phone there. So it's like a 2-in-1. It's wicked. You guys can see I'll mount it up here. I've got the plate on the bottom of my camera, right? So you can see there. Now we're set. We can go drive around. So now we've got the camera mounted up there. The viewing angle here looks fantastic. It's nice, it's sturdy, hands-free, and it's literally blocking like such a small section of my field of view. Nothing in front of me, nothing over there. It's actually perfect. So if you guys don't have a ProClip, I'll have a link down below. As always, if you already have one, a little DIY you can do, just get a drill and drill a small hole in it. I mean, it's not that destroying to the ProClip. That small little hole doesn't affect it at all. And if you end up hating it in the future, you could always just get a little piece of like black tape and put it over it, and you would never even see it again because it's like pretty much hidden behind where the phone goes. So hopefully this tip helps somebody who's out there making videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys, as always, and I hope you're having a great day or night, whatever it is where you are.